here, in fact, there is a letter of Shiv Sena, and we're going to put it out on your screens. Now, Anand, stay on with me, because this is a letter that has been written by Eknath Shinde to the party president, BJP president JP Nadda, and the letter says that the NDA under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has received a historic mandate from the people of Bharat, propelling them to win the Lok Sabha elections for the third consecutive term. I wish to congratulate you on behalf of the Shiv Sena party, and as one of the alliance partners of the National Democratic Alliance, Shiv Sena is happy and proud to announce an unequivocal support to the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to form the government. So there comes the letter of support from Shiv Sena. Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is officially showing his support for the BJP becoming part of the NDA. In fact, we have some more information. We are getting to know that at 7:30 p.m. is the time that the NDA alliance members, the party leaders who are crucial to the winning of the elections by the NDA, are going to be arriving at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and they are going to be providing letters of support to the President, Draupadi Murmu, and staking claim to form the government. Anand still with us, and Anand, a letter that has now been signed and sent by Eknath Shinde to JP Nadda, where the Shiv Sena has shown support to the BJP. One of the few allies of the BJP that comes out and shows official support to the NDA alliance.
Yeah, Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena has just now, after attending the meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has shared a letter showing, extending its support to the NDA and especially Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that it stands with the principles and the policies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and they will be standing with him given any chance, any situation. So they have now officially released a letter just a day after the election results were announced, and even he has shared that how the BJP at the center has worked for the people, and it is the reason why they are going to extend their support to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 3.0 government. And he is not the first, he is now the first party, Eknath Shinde Camp Shiv Sena, that has extended support and has issued a letter signed by the CM himself. So this is the first letter.
We are also getting to know, Anand, we're talking about the support of the NDA allies. It is going to be Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu who are going to accompany Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, who are then headed to the residence of the President Draupadi Murmu at 7:30 p.m. today to stake claim to form government.
Yes, several of the NDA allied partners will be accompanying Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he goes to meet President Draupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan today in the evening. As several of the NDA alliance partners are already here in Delhi, and given the fact that Nitish Kumar and N. Chandrababu Naidu are going to be the important and crucial players for the NDA bloc, so they will be accompanying the Prime Minister along with them, so that he gives the stake to form the government at the center. And as sources have indicated that the oath-taking ceremony will take place on 8th of June. So definitely several of the top leaders of the NDA alliance will be going with the Prime Minister. They will be accompanying him to Rashtrapati Bhavan today in the evening. Back to you, Megha.
Okay, stay on with me, Anand. Anand is in AICC headquarters, where the NDA alliance meeting is just going to start any moment now.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.